Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to make a collage on Instagram story. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram. And then what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and click the plus button at the top left. And then select your photo. So for example, I'm going to select this photo, right? What I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and add the sticker at the top. Okay? And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and add photos by clicking photo right here under the location at the top left. Okay? And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to just add this photo, for example. And if I wanted to add more, just go ahead and add more. And you could tap to change the shape. If you want it to be circle, square, star, heart, or something like that. Okay? Like a starfish, whatever. And then you can place it however you want. Okay? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.